Some coins are really starting to move in the last couple of days. Is this a breakout? Is this a fake out? Are we going toward the new altcoin season? I don't have that answer, but I know who does. Ladies and gentlemen, the majestic chart of altcoins combined. Thank you for still being a part of this video. I'm not talking about any specific altcoin, I'm talking about this chart of altcoin market cap, so all the altcoins combined. Let's try to feel the general pulse of the market, and are we moving in that direction of that altcoin season, if there will be any. So this is daily chart, every candle is one day. We are not speaking now on the long term, more on the short term side. Now, if we draw this first trend line that is taking into account this price action all the way to Christmas time, we're doing good. Because what's happening? We just broke above it. We broke the short-term downtrend. It's good stuff. Some bullish momentum is finally showing. And if we even make it a parallel channel to the downside that originates all the way from November, you can see that this was a valid channel. Not regarding those wicks, always take into account first body of the candle. You can see that this is significant breakout. We broke above this downsloping trend line and downsloping parallel channel. Good stuff. This could be something significant for the altcoin market cap. Now, this is the good part, but don't get ahead of yourself. Let me show you why. Correct, we broke above this trend line, the shorter one, but this long-term one, that if we drew it like this all the way to those tops, and you can see which tops are now taken into account, I'm sorry, but we are still in a downtrend. So valuation of market cap in the next few days could go all the way to this resistance line. And let's not boggle our mind with those valuation in billions of market cap. The direction is important, not the numbers, and we could still be bearish. That is my point. The true bullishness of the altcoin season, well, now I'm getting ahead of myself. The true bullishness of altcoin market cap will be if, for example, we do something like this, rise above this trend line and clear any point of resistance on those tilted trend lines. Of course, we will still have this and this points to clear out, but this will be the beginning of something bigger. Until this happened, multiple scenarios are in play. For example, this trend line, although it's now looking very bullish, this move could just be faced with this huge pressure as it was here and here, and we still could be seeing lower targets. For example, retesting of this low from the last month. So, this is short and bullish, absolutely. But long term, we need to see a climb above this bigger trend line. Now, everything I said, I always like to confirm with moving averages, and I'm using exponential moving average. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What you're seeing right now is 89 and 144 exponential moving average. So you can see that we are positioned below those very important moving averages. Don't kid yourself. We are below big moving averages. We are below this trend line. So although we are seeing signs of recovery, still warning and cautious is advised. Here you can see that those moving averages that I just showed you served us as a support, and from that point on, well, now they are resistance. Let's move above those crucial moving averages. Let's move above this trend line of death, and then speak about bullish narrative. Until then, watch my channel if you haven't, join it, and now watch this old video just because you could find some insights from the past that could serve you in the future. Thank you for that, and I'll see you in that one.